सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी
पहले हम लोग को सॉरी बोल।
सॉरी
हाँ, अभी पब्लिक को सॉरी बोल।
सॉरी
अबे भाई भाई ये मत कर, सिम्स सिम्स
नो
थोड़े
नो नो आई रियली आई एम
इलेक्ट्रीफाई हो
सॉरी
जाएंगे वो। ओ ओ बाबा।
नो आई एम
क्या
वेरी
कर रहा है?
सॉरी आई नो दैट लाइक it's just been a tough year, so I'm sorry. And I had to get a lot of stuff sorted. There's work, all of that, but more importantly, I want to thank three of you. I'll tell you why. I'll come to it. The three of you, genuinely. uh, I know I was fully AWOL, fully missing, and I y'all held the podcast together. Not just that, y'all have been extremely patient. And y'all have welcomed me back on the podcast and also said, Ha, Aja, which was nice. Y'all didn't have to. Lots of things changed. I understand that.
मतलब यू सेड मेरे को पॉडकास्ट पे आना है, हमने बोला हाँ आ जा. आई डोंट नो.
No, but
It's
that's
not
what I
that
mean.
complicated.
But that's exactly what I mean. So, no, thank you. The only thing is, you guys genuinely held it all together and did the tour. I missed a whole bunch of shit, and I'm very sorry. But I'm not fully back.
अरे
अबे
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 यार.
guys, Baba's not going to be there after the intro packaging. सब सिम्स आ
Yeah.
गए suddenly.
देख लो जितना देखना है.
No,
Oh,
no,
You
yeah.
don't
no.
know. You don't know which episode is going to be in. But from
I
now
will.
on, he's going to be there before every intro packaging.
You know, after Where is Baba, it's now time for When is Baba.
When is Baba? Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Baba's like that Tazo in a Lay's packet. You don't know
Arey,
which you'll get when.
oh, wait, for
What
starters,
a 2000s reference, bro. Come on.
I will be there.
Pulled out
I will be there till the end of this episode. That is for sure.
Oh,
Appreciate it. Thanks.
फिर कहा पनवेल के लिए निकल रहे.
हाँ.
Then I'm going to try and be as I'll try and be as frequent as I can. I'm also trying to sort a schedule into which I can obviously be here full time. So I will do
हाँ,
that.
मैं सच बात बोलूं तो मोदी जी को भी अगर हमने पूछ लिया ना तो उनके पास भी टाइम तो हो जाएगा आने के लिए, ठीक है? तो उनसे ज्यादा तो काम नहीं कर रहा. अच्छा, माँ कसम के लिए आएगा?
हाँ.
आता हूँ एक शो के लिए. I'll come.
So guys and all the Baba Sims out there and all the Tis Sims, right? Baba is going to come for माँ कसम, but we don't know which one. So whenever he lets us
What
know.
are the dates? 26 to 28th, I know.
Oh, Baba, thanks. तो तू कुछ मतलब ऐसे होमवर्क किया ही नहीं है. When is it?
26 to 28th, I know.
26, 27, 28 September and 10th, 11th, 12th October. ठीक है?
Baba repeat it.
तो बाबा कोई भी एपिसोड में आ सकता है. And guys, every show is different. So if you really want to see Baba, you should buy tickets to all the 12 shows.
Hey, no, guys,
Because
one
उसमें
sec. No,
confirm-
no.
By, हाँ, by shows 6 और 9 के बीच में भी तू you don't know. You don't know if you came for the 6 o'clock show and then it's like अरे
Or I just
second
come
में आ
for
गया,
the
oh, shit.
interval in between the two shows. I don't know. But
इंटरवल के टिकट नहीं बेच सकते हम लोग.
हाँ.
I am very
तो क्या
sorry.
नीचे खड़े रहेगा उनके साथ वड़ा पाव खाएगा?
No, no. What I mean is, first, I should have updated things on my Instagram. I will try and figure out a way to tell you which show I'm coming to. But as of this moment, I do not know. I will do my best to be there. Yes.
Okay.
Guys, he's coming for any show. You don't know. He also
Yeah.
doesn't know.
So just like Baba's going to
It's
try his
very
best
true.
to be there, you should also try your best to be there. Buy tickets for the shows. Ticket link is below in the pinned comment. If you don't want to buy the ticket, but you still want to be a part of the episode, which will come on YouTube, then send us your stories on tastemarkasam@gmail.com. Thank you to all of those who sent a story so far. अभी भी टाइम है, तो अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ one task story है तो भेजेश.
Yeah. And if you're still confused, Kautuk has done a great AMA on our Instagram page. वो जाके follow करो and you can understand what kind of stories we're looking for. So go there. We've highlighted the story. Go check it out.
हाँ, have
All
we?
right.
We
Yeah.
highlighted?
we
Oh,
highlighted
good.
it.
Well done. I thought वो नहीं करते अपन. Hygiene. All right, guys. तो चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड in 3, 2, 1. बाबा तू इंट्रो ले.
Ah.
Oh, there's no way.
चल देखते हैं देखो 6 महीने में याद है कि नहीं, होमवर्क किया कि नहीं तू.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, where we a show where we take
Where we
stands.
shake.
ये चल रहा है भाई.
Let me get
ये
you.
Freudian.
Varun, the
Freudian
amount of
slips चल
times,
रहे.
the amount of times, Varun, you've got it wrong. What you're talking?
I never
अच्छा
said shake, but
wait
say
wait
it
wait.
again.
Once more. Baba, चल.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, where we take
Can we take a
Random.
again? Take 3.
I know it's not going to happen.
3, 2, 1.
Action.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Says So, a show where we take random, interesting, weird, absurd facts, stats, trivia, and we talk about them.
And our
And personal
personal
stories?
stories.
Personal stories है ही नहीं तेरा. The whole half the episode right now is going to be your personal story.
तो बता
Who knows?
6 महीने में क्या क्या किया तूने बाबा?
Yeah, man.
बहुत
Why did the
काम-
intro sound like he is giving the introduction to Jeena इसी का नाम है? Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet.
Also, you know what I'm really liking is मैं इतने टाइम के बाद सुना है your
हाँ.
the most missed sound that comes from Bhava's mouth.
Fair. I will try and avoid the ers, but
Okay.
हाँ.
चल.
तो बता बाबा क्या चल रहा है? 6
where have
महीने में
you,
क्या
where
किया?
have you been? Yeah, last 6 months.
बहुत काम था. I was also trying to like think. I'll tell you one very interesting. I was redoing the house and all that, but I'll tell you one story. Okay, so I went to Cannes for work, and then from Cannes I was coming back, and then I said I'm going to go for a small break because I really needed it. And I thought I could take a good 7 to 10 days, and I was going diving. And I went diving. I went diving to where I normally go, and the problem is
What
I
does that
went.
mean, Baba?
Yeah.
Where? Mine Creek.
Meaty River.
No,
You
Andaman,
said it
Andaman,
as if it's
Andaman.
common knowledge, you know. Where,
Yeah.
where I
अरे
used to go.
Wikipedia पे है क्या?
What I'm sorry. What I
अरे
meant is,
Wikipedia पे Neville Shah, copywriter, CEO, dives
Yeah.
in Mahim Creek.
Famous for diving in Mahim Creek.
Famous for diving wherever he finds water.
I have my favorite spot in Meaty River. It is
तो
that
किधर जाता है तू डाइविंग के लिए?
too many in the Andaman. So, and this is one of those things where like I just try to go so that I get some time off or whatever. And so I've gone this
Yeah,
time.
because there's no cell phone reception underwater, so you can't get calls.
Yeah.
So the
That's
network
enough of
is
a pitch for a new brand, new ad, by the way.
the network
That's
is
the new
the
pitch.
network is fishy underwater. So
very nice.
Oh.
Very
महीने लगे
nice.
तुझे, तूने ये पानी में था भावा, उसने लिखा है उधर कि मैं एक बार जब बात करूंगा ना ये वाला तो जरूर बोल के रहूंगा fishy.
I just have to connect underwater and reception in
And-
some weird way.
Don't worry, we got you. हाँ तो fishy के साथ.
So now the thing is, I've gone to this place and I've gone. The reason why I said regular place is because I normally go there and I stay at a particular place. Except this time I haven't because I went in the off season, right? Like I went in July, like end of June, early July.
But
right? So it
off
was
season
raining.
में तेरे को जगह मिलनी चाहिए ना? तो why didn't you go?
But the place that I go to, because it's like Goa, no, it's like an island. So they just shut and go home. 6 महीना वो लोग काम नहीं करता है, ठीक है? तो 6 महीना खुला रहता है.
हाँ.
तो मैं गया है. Now I had to obviously take alternative accommodation compared to what I usually go for. And so I've reached there, and on night 1, I have woken up with mosquito bites all over my leg. And Kautuk, since you've dove before, you know that like you wake up super early and you have that so like whatever 4:55 and all, you really can't see what they are. So you just went. I went.
Odomos नहीं लगाता है क्या?
Odomos, अरे पहले तो see noob mistake. Odomos won't work in an island. You need jungle formula. Okay. So which is one heavy duty.
तो मेरे
Odomos.
पास एक थाई स्प्रे है, इंटेंसिव.
हाँ.
उससे मच्छर भी नहीं, मेरी बीवी भी दूर रहती है मेरे से. इतना कि ये क्या है बास, दिस इज नॉट, कोई नहीं आएगा तेरे आसपास. सब बोल
BV, family, anybody, just it's the
कोई नहीं,
best.
फोन भी नहीं आता है. नहीं,
तो-
गूगल का स्प्रे नहीं.
So anyway, so I didn't carry it, and because obviously I was in this hadbadi, I have literally forgotten everything, like just brain fog, right? I have decided to stay in this place, and I've woken up. I've gone the next morning diving. I've come back from the dive, and because you've obviously come back from salt water, there's not like you don't feel itchy and all of that till it dries up and everything. So I've showered, I've done all of that. Then I've gone to sleep immediately because you come back, you're slightly tired, whatever, before lunch. And then now when I've woken up with more mosquito bites on my hands and my back.
अच्छा प्रोग्रेशन हो रहा है.
Progression.
हाँ.
मेरे पैर से स्टार्ट हुआ, अभी हैंड्स तक पहुंच गया.
मतलब 1 second. तो were you wearing a shirt?
Yes. I don't.
So
I'm
they
not.
have gone
Other-
through your shirt.
I'll give you enough fodder. I am not confident enough to sleep topless even if I am alone. So I
So
cannot
now
do
I'm
it.
shocked at the mosquito. ये क्या mosquito है? Mosquito
I'm
अलग
coming
से
to it.
मतलब
I'm
चार
coming
इंच
to
का
it.
proboscis.
I'm
अबे वो
coming to it.
फाड़ के जा रहे हैं अंदर सीधा कि आज तो खा के रहूंगा। अरे
नहीं,
सर
सनी
आपको अंदर
देओल
अलाउड नहीं है, मैं शर्ट हूँ, निकाल।
And what's happening is,
बहुत दिन बाद मेरा रेगुलर आया है।
रेगुलर आया है, हाँ आज तो मैं चबा के रहूंगा।
so I've reached a
एक ओ
place.
पॉजिटिव एक ओ पॉजिटिव देना भाई।
हाँ, मैं भी
आज तो पूरी
पॉजिटिव है।
बॉटल।
आज मैं भी पॉजिटिव है। तो I've gone and I'm starting to really itch and it's gotten really bad, right? So
अच्छा,
I
now you're starting to itch.
like really bad, right? So now I've gone, taken a shower, also immediately cooled it down. Then I have gone to the dive center and I've shown them and they're like, bro, this looks like bed bugs.
Oh no.
And the problem with bed bugs is once they come, now there is a chance that they're in your clothes. और मैंने मेरे कपड़े अपने सूटकेस में डाला है, जो मैंने पहना था वो
ओ,
रहा।
तो सब जला दिया।
अभी वो तेरे सूटकेस में जो तू फ्लाइट में डाला, उन लोग वहां से निकले दूसरों के सूटकेस में गए। अब
not
तू
a-
अंडमान के सारे खटमल लेके बॉम्बे आ गया है,
नहीं,
तूने
नहीं,
फैला दिया है।
Thakur, there must have been one khatmal that was nestled in Baba's armpit that has gone for a dive suit में घुस के।
वो सब बोल रहे, वो अपने दोस्त लोग को वापस जाके बोल रहे, भाई तुम लोगों को पता है बिस्तर के नीचे क्या क्या चल रहा है?
30 meters नीचे था। शार्क दिखा, शार्क।
अब अपने
दो बैरकूडा था।
शाक खुजा रहा है क्योंकि शाक को खटमल लग गया।
हाँ, क्योंकि शार्क बेड में वही प्रॉब्लम है ना, शार्क बेड में। तो
एक मिनट, तो देखो ये सब खा गए।
एक सेकंड, अगर शार्क को खटमल काटेगा तो how will the shark scratch it?
विद इट्स फिन।
no, it goes to a
With
cleaning
its
station.
with its jaws, bro.
It goes to a cleaning station. वैसे भी bro, sharks क्या creatures है bro. You know sharks can't just float in water like this ना. If they stop swimming, they fall to the ground, like they go to the
Yeah,
ground.
they die.
No, they just go to the ground. So sharks will be at the bottom of at the seabed. So,
what do they do? They have to keep going like this.
they have to keep swimming, and the minute they
But
stop swimming,
can't they breathe? Like they stop
they need
breathing,
rest.
right?
Then
They
they
have
need
to
rest.
move to breathe, na?
एक मिनट, तो तू बोल रहा है शार्क रुकता ही नहीं, एक बार जैसे बाहर आ गया तब से चलते जा रहा है शार्क। अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो यार प्रकाश? अरे नहीं भाई, मैं रुकता हूँ, मैं गिर जाऊंगा। जिंदगी भर चलते आ रहे। डूड, इफ आई वाज अ शार्क एंड इफ आई हैड टू स्विम माय होल लाइफ, आई वुड बी एंग्री एज हेल कि कुछ भी
No
सामने आया,
wonder.
मैं तो चबा रहा हूँ इसको। ये
हाँ।
ये क्या एवोल्यूशन है भाई?
अरे, but I'm saying they
More
do
than
rest.
jaws,
ना,
they
but-
need pause.
डूड व्हाट द हेल, सीरियसली?
हाँ, so
हाँ,
तो फिर तू देखा कि नहीं शार्क वाक?
एक देखा था।
तुम
हाँ, देखा शार्क।
डाइविंग ट्रिप पे जाके क्या कैसे
One
रहा?
second,
मस्त
one second.
खटमल खा के मुझे
Only Bawa has seen a shark in a dive and has started with khatmal.
Yeah.
Because you've not understood, bro. This is day one.
Oh,
You've not
chalo.
understood how badly fucked I've gotten. The next day, I've switched rooms, right? But now psychosomatically, you're still thinking you're being bitten every day, right? And the bites are getting larger. मैं बर्फ लगा रहा है, फिर वो क्या लैक्टोकैलामाइन लगा रहा है, ये वो। एक तो
नहाना पड़ता है उसमें भाई।
एक तो हैवलॉक, तो हैवलॉक पे एक डॉक्टर है, संडे को चालू नहीं है और डॉक्टर, ठीक है। तो ऐसा सब एक मेरे को अलेग्रा एक मिला मुश्किल से। देन आई हैव दिस एंड नाउ द थिंग इज आई एम supremely seasick as a person. I love diving, but I am supremely seasick.
तो तू क्या ऐसा
तो
उल्टी
फिर
करते
क्या
करते
फायदा
dive
होगा
कर?
तेरा? तेरा फायदा क्या हुआ मेरे को बता। तेरे जो पूरा तूने प्लान किया है कि मैं डाइविंग करूंगा, जैसे डाइव करने आता तो उल्टी कर देता, फिर क्या फायदा हुआ?
अरे मैं नहीं
And by the way, Bawa started the story saying, "I wanted to relax."
Yeah.
I didn't know it would be so bad. Here's a small video of the water that I came up from.
It is blurred, Bawa, because of your.
हाँ.
You see this?
ओ वाह, वो तू फ्लोट कर रहा है कि तू वीडियो ले रहा है?
नहीं, मैं ये वीडियो मैं ले रहा हूँ, but yeah, so it's bad. Okay. Now the problem is that it's choppy, and I normally do my surface interval call. Between two dives, there's a time that you have the surface interval because you don't dive for very long. You forget it, technical. So in that surface interval, I normally do it on the surface of the water on the float. I don't do it on a boat. Okay, because the surface of the water is better for me. Except with this situation, I have come out of the water. Bleh. I have gone unless I'm 3 meters underwater. I'm not. I have to, if I'm on the surface of the water, I'm throwing up. I'm throwing up. I'm throwing up. Right, and there's nothing. There's only bile. So the second day I couldn't dive because I was like, I can't do this again. I'm not diving today. I'll dive the next day. By then my fucking hands have gotten swollen. I'm literally like I have an allergy and all of that. Then day two, day three happens. I've dove the next day. I'm slightly better, very genuinely slightly better. Now, the day after that, I had to go to Neil. So I've gone to the second island, I've gone to Neil. And now, day one of Neil, I've said I'm going to go diving. I go diving and get bitten by a siphonophore. And now I'm
Please pause.
What is a
Who or
siphonophore?
what the F? Guys,
Ah.
I'm not guessing because YouTube will take the video
What
down.
is this
What the F?
polysyllabic animal? that
Arey,
has-
bro, it's that
It
it's that
sounds
you
like
know
you
that
got bit by a musical instrument.
Yeah.
no, it's like a I don't know. It's like a it's I don't know what family of fish it comes from, but it's like a
अबे
plankton.
उसके
It's
खानदान
very
के बारे में थोड़ी
microscopic.
बताना है. Just tell us what it is.
It's a very
Just tell us the.
microscopic thing. So it come and it's bitten me. I've gotten
You
bitten.
got bit by a microscopic fish.
Yeah, bro. I'm telling you.
Basically, you got bit by a sea khatmal. So there are sea khatmals out there.
बेड बग, सी बग, और फिर तेरे डाइविंग सूट में भी बग, और फिर तू
No,
आधा
I don't. The problem is this also, na. In Andaman
ड्राइविंग
the
सूट
water
किसी
is-
और का पहना है रेंटल तो उससे एक्जिमा हो गया.
No. So because I mean, no, the water is really warm and all that. So you in Andaman you don't dive with a dive suit. You just dive in your
Study.
in your rashi and your boxers, right? Like rashi and your trunks. Sorry.
in your rashi. Is it rashi for everybody or only because you?
No, it's a rash guard, yeah.
Rash guard.
तो
After the
सचिन तेंदुलकर जब डाइव करता है तो ही इज जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली एडजस्टिंग हिज राशि.
Arey, it's a rash guard is a t-shirt, bro.
अच्छा टी-शर्ट.
You can clearly see who amongst the four of us goes diving and who thinks rashi is not a girl's name.
I'm very surprised
Yeah.
you all have not gone Rashi Gulzar.
What's
okay.
your राशि? हाँ.
Anyway, so
It's your rash.
What's your rashi? Why did they not do this step?
Where Harman Bhavesha meets 12 different women who have
And
different
who
skin
all
colors.
Different.
तुझे क्या है? मुझे एक्जिमा. तेरे साथ नहीं जमेगा. तेरे को क्या है? मुझे herpes. Oh, come on. हाँ,
Anyway.
फिर
so now now I have gotten
What the heck?
the next day I have gotten Bukhar. Now Neil is a smaller island compared to
Oh, I thought it was your friend. I thought you went to Neil as in your
I thought
friend.
as well.
Yo, I didn't know Neil is the island. Havelock है ना?
Havelock और Neil दो
मैं
island
गया नहीं हूँ कभी.
दो island
अच्छा,
anyway.
दूसरे का नाम नील है. अच्छा.
तो मैं अब मैं नील आइलैंड मेरे को बुखार हो गया. तो मैं गया हूँ गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल ऑफ नील आइलैंड.
और उधर तेरे को सांप काटा है.
वहां पे नहीं क्योंकि वहां पे ये नहीं है क्या बोलते हैं उसको लाइक अ केमिस्ट
Doctor. अच्छा.
gone to the pharmacies in the government hospital. Now the government hospital to get even if you know you want a Crocin, you have to go to one place where they first say क्या चाहिए, then you tell him Crocin.
And they said जाओ lunch time.
No.
लेकिन 6 बजे शाम के मेरा lunch
Then he
है.
says
वो
what's
गोता
your
मारता है
name?
नीचे पानी के
No,
नीचे
no,
रखा
no,
है,
wait,
medicine
one minute,
में
one minute,
क्रोसिन
one
निकाल के
minute.
लाता है.
One minute. Let me finish this. You all will like this.
हाँ.
You all will like this because this is bureaucracy wrapped in red tape. So give it a second. Okay, so this guy will take my name. He takes your name. Then he asks you, give me your government ID. So
Crocin के लिए.
if you are in an emergency, okay, this guy has taken my name, then has taken my government ID, my Aadhaar. Okay, then he is saying, what are your symptoms? This guy is also saying, what are your symptoms? I'm like, look at me. I'm bitten and I have fever. So then I'm like, whatever. Then they're like, अच्छा, अभी
क्या
ये
symptom
लेके
है आपको?
ये लेके आप
One second.
उधर
Sorry, Baba, 1 second. You have scratched yourself, and then pulled out one ID and handed it to someone.
ये ना
I've
सर,
not understood
Adarsh,
anything you've said, Kautuk.
Sorry.
अरे you scratched yourself and pulled out your ID and handed it to him. तो अभी उसको तू
No.
फैला रहा है basically सब जगह अपना ये.
So he has no. So then once he fills it, he gives you one parchi and he's like, okay, now take this parchi and go to the doctor who's sitting there. The doctors are busy chatting amongst themselves. There are three doctors all chatting amongst themselves. One of which is giving instructions to the, I'm assuming what could have only been a junior doctor, and is telling that doctor how not to get yelled at by the superintendent of the hospital. Okay, this is okay. And I am literally waiting out with my parchi. Finally, they call me in. They call me in. She takes this. She looks at it, and then she looks at one of the bed bug marks, and then she does this, and she's like, "Okay, go get your medicine." Now I go to the chemist, who is literally 10 meters from the doctor's clinic to the chemist in the same hospital premise. In the premises, I've asked the guy for it. He looks at it and he's like, लाना पड़ेगा. Okay.
क्रोसिन लाना पड़ेगा तो उसके पास अवेलेबल क्या है वहां पर?
No, I had taken Dolo. I didn't have Allegra because I don't have any allergies, right? So I don't carry Allegra. So I was looking for Allegra, and he's like, लाना पड़ेगा. So I was like, अच्छा कोई you have a substitute of Allegra or anything like that? He's like,
सोचना पड़ेगा.
No. तो ही सेड एक काम कीजिए, आप सामने जाइए, फिल कीजिए फॉर्म, फिर डॉक्टर के पास है. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई जस्ट गॉट आउट, आई कांट डू दिस. आई वेंट. The next day, I have taken a decision. I said, I'm cutting my trip short. I have gone straight, I've gone back to Port Blair. Okay. And in Port Blair, in the meantime, I've called one doctor in Bombay. He's told me, okay, go to Port Blair, pick up these meds, up this low ointment, blah. I've gone to Port Blair, and obviously, it being the biggest island and capital and all of that, has medical facilities that are open at the odd hour of 2:30 in the afternoon. And so I have been able to get my medicine, and I've gone to the hotel, and that the next day I have just fully just lay in bed, like broken completely. Now, as my time to come to Bombay comes closer, I am starting to feel better. Just psychologically, I'm starting to feel better. Like I have taken a flight from Port Blair to Chennai, Chennai to Bombay, and the minute I've landed in Bombay, I'm like, I'm okay, I'm fine now. I'm completely fine once I was in Bombay. But this was my rest trip. So
Only
yeah.
Baba's actual holiday can be successful if he is back to Bombay.
बॉम्बे.
Yeah.
अगली बार बाबा बोलेगा भाई मैं तो वर्षों बाद जेटी के बाहर ही उधर ही कूद जाऊंगा.
Honestly,
भाई,
अगर तेरे को डाइविंग करना ही था, you could have just stayed in Bombay.
हाँ,
Yeah, actually, during the
इधर चलते चलते एसवी रोड में सीधा रिक्शा से जंप मारते बाहर हो गया तेरा
हाँ,
ड्राइविंग.
वहां पे पाइथन मिल रहा है, स्नैपिंग टर्टल है.
बे गाय वाय सब कुछ अपने इधर. तेरे को क्या उधर जाके
गाय मिलेगा क्या तेरे को? अंडमान में गाय
खटमल.
स्विम कर रहा है 30 meters below the surface.
Oh man.
But so yeah. But it was a fun, whatever dives I did, I enjoyed myself.
How many dives did you do finally?
Eventually, 5 or 6 or something.
5 or 6.
I was
still
supposed,
quite a bit. I
I was
thought
supposed
एक में
to-
ही खत्म हो गया.
I was supposed to do 14, but I've done like some 6 dives and come back.
वो
14
इतना ही
dives.
करते हैं क्या? मुझे लगा एक होता है. सो जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा. फकिंग चुतिया बना हम लोग को.
You want to see Farhan's poetry 6 times?
You want to see Ritik and Katrina dive 14 times?
बट आई जस्ट थॉट के अच्छा एक ही बार होता है एंड इट्स डन. इट्स वन एंड डन एंड दैट्स
नहीं
व्हाट
यार,
यू
एक
पे
ही बार
फॉर.
होता है.
तुम्हारा
What a great comeback बाबा स्टोरी. बट तू क्या 6 महीना सिर्फ डाइविंग पानी के अंदर ही था क्या? 6 महीने चूतिया निकला नहीं?
नहीं, मैं निकला. Like I said, बहुत I was redoing the house.
See, before Baba started this story ना, I thought कि मैं बताऊंगा कि how I spent a night on the railway platform in Glasgow.
तो तू बता एक मिनट.
But it's nowhere. So this is what happened. My story becomes better. So it's basically मैं शो किया. Me and Rahul Dua were doing a show in Glasgow. And next day अपर्णा का बर्थडे है. तो मैंने बोला मैं रहूंगा नहीं यहाँ पे. I'm catching a train and going back. So I'll come back here at 7 o'clock in the morning. हम लोग जाएंगे कुछ मचाएंगे, लंच वंच करेंगे बाप. सो मैंने लिया है रात के 11 बजे की ट्रेन. तो नाउ वी गो टू द ट्रेन स्टेशन. वहाँ पे वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ट्रेन कैंसिल. फक, हाउ डू आई, दिस इज द लास्ट ट्रेन टू गो आउट. नाउ लंदन 6 घंटा दूर है. आई कांट जस्ट, आई हैव नो होटल रूम, आई हैव नथिंग. नाउ आई हैड टेकन अ स्लीपर ट्रेन. एंड व्हाट दे सेड वाज, देखो 4 बजे एक और ट्रेन जा रही है, बट आप ट्रेन के अंदर सो सकते हो.
Hmm.
सो नाउ दे
Oh
ओपन द ट्रेन
no.
एंड वी
No.
हैव ऑल got our own rooms. So they've upgraded us all to first class. So now each one of us जो भी बैठे हुए प्लेटफॉर्म पे सबको अपना अपना मिला है. And Bhava, sad to say there were no khatmals. It was one of the best nights and the best sleeps I have ever
Oh,
Wait,
spent
so
on a
तू
railway platform.
देखो फर्स्ट क्लास से बम्प अप किया and from 11 to 4 you were just sleeping on the train without it moving.
Yeah. And then this guy comes in, there's an announcement throughout the train. Please wake up. This is your wake up call. Your train is going to be leaving. सब भाग रहे, बैग वैग लेके दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भाग के जा रहे हैं, और
ah, bro,
साथ में
what
सबको.
I thought this, if I was in this now, what would have happened is I would have slept and woken up in Germany or something. Like I would
नहीं नहीं,
have,
उसने, अरे दे woke us up, they came, दरवाजे और प्लीज नाउ टाइम टू गेट आउट. तो
एक
ये
मिनट
हुआ
तो
है.
ऐसे उधर तो फिर पब्लिक सब चली गई होंगी अंदर, जो भी स्टेशन में भाई तो सोने दे रहे, चले जाते.
सोने दे.
अरे जिनके पास टिकट है उनका ही ना, मेरा टिकट
क्या
स्कैन
कर रहे
करके
थे?
जिसके पास, हाँ पहले से ही था जिसके पास, तो मैंने एक पॉड का लिया था, छोटा पॉड, बट उसकी जगह ना आई गॉट माय ओन लाइक नाइस बंक बेड रूम एंड एवरीथिंग.
तो
बट
इंडिया
बहुत
में
मस्त.
एक बंदा तो चढ़ जाता सेम कि मेरा अनरिजर्व
हाँ, एक दो लोग तो चढ़ जाते हैं.
ब्रो मैंने ये स्टोरी बोली है ऑफ ऑड प्लेसेस वी स्लेप्ट एट. ठीक है, जब मैं हाँ
वेयर हैव यू स्लेप्ट?
नो
why
सो
take
आई
an
स्लेप्ट
episode
एट
now
मुच्छड़
of
पान वाला.
what?
मुच्छड़ पान वाला पे सोया हूं मैं.
उसके
उसके
ऊपर
ऊपर?
वो
मुच्छड़
क्या
पान
बोल
वाला.
रहा है?
आई अज्यूम ही इज
अबे
वेरी.
मुच्छड़ पान वाला के साथ नहीं, वो नहीं था, वहां बंद था. It
यू
was closed
लिटरली
for
सेड मैं
business.
मुच्छड़ पान वाला पे सोया हूँ.
I
So
had
it
a
sounded
memory.
like you slept on top of him.
I had a
And I'm
context.
assuming he's very comfortable and he's very cushy and like अच्छा
Oh
soft आदमी
my
है.
Yes.
god.
I could just imagine Thakur draped over him as he just
Just
I assure you, if I had slept on Muchhad Panwala, it would have been a lot more comfortable. So basically, for context, Muchhad Panwala is a very, very famous पानवाला in Bombay. ठीक है,
Bridge
ब्रिज
Candy.
कैंडी पे है. वहां से उसके पान भाई अब्रॉड जाते हैं. ठीक है, शादी वादी होती है ना बड़े, यहाँ से फ्रीज फ्रीज होके
अपने
बाहर
आप नहीं
जाते
जाते, हाँ लोग लेके जाना. हाँ.
but
अपने आप नहीं.
हैं.
you're,
अरे,
you're
क्या
telling me
बात
there's
है,
an anthropomorphic पान
पान.
जो बन के फ्लाइट चल रहा है,
So you mean
पासपोर्ट
to
लेके
say
जा रहा है.
पान बन जाने के बाद एयरपोर्ट नहीं जाता, खुद निजी यात्रा करके फ्लाइट पकड़ के.
But also, what is this pan? Okay, the pan has legs and hands. Okay, and the pan is chewing up pan while it's traveling.
No, and the pan is Bengali because it's a Calcutta meeta.
It is flying
Which
palm
is all
air.
in them same.
ब्रो तो आई टेल यू द स्टोरी. ठीक है, आई वाज इन सेकंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर बीएमएम एंड जो हम लोग के नया बैच आया था ना, तो उसके लिए हम लोग फ्रेशर्स पार्टी रखते हैं. तो ये पार्टी वार्टी हो गया एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू कम बैक बिकॉज़ द पार्टी वाज इन कोलाबा एट अ क्लब एंड आई वांट टू कम बैक होम बिकॉज़ नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग एट 7 आई वाज सपोज्ड टू लीव विद सम फ्रेंड्स फॉर पूना टू शूट. सो 1-1:30 सीन खत्म हुआ, हम लोग इधर उधर भटके. वी वर सपोज्ड टू गो टू आवर फ्रेंड्स हाउस. एज वी आर ऑल गोइंग, he's like, bro, sorry, we can't go up, my parents are fighting, so we can't go up. So I'm like, bro, this entire night was planned, I was coming to yours because I have to leave from here outside in the morning. So he said, no, we'll chill in my building, I'll chill with you. तो हम लोग 3 लोग उसके बिल्डिंग में ऐसे गाड़ी के बाजू में बैठे और सब टल्ली है. ठीक है, तो एक टाइम पे नींद आ रहा है ना, तो हम लोग लेट गए ऐसे. ठीक है, लेट गए ऐसे 2 गाड़ियों के
जमीन
बीच.
पर.
फिर
हाँ.
जमीन पर.
जमीन पे ऐसे लेट गए कि अभी नींद भी आ रही है. सडनली उसका वॉचमैन आया, देखा 3 लोग सोए, बोला निकलो इधर से. तो वहां से निकले, दूसरे दोस्तों को फोन करा, कोई फोन ही नहीं उठा रहा है. नाउ दिस गाय वाज हाउ वाज सपोज्ड स्टे, आई कांट डॉक्स हिम, वाज सपोज्ड स्टे एट, ही इज लाइक, ब्रो अभी मुझे घर जाना है. तो
अच्छा वो गलती.
हाँ, द अदर फ्रेंड लिव्स इन न्यू बॉम्बे, तो ही इज लाइक, आई एम आल्सो लीविंग. And I'm like, fuck, I can't leave because I have to leave from here in 2 hours, in 3 hours.
Ah.
Because I'm not going to go back home and then come back. So he's also left. Now I am there on the road. I said, 1-2 घंटा है, चल मैं chill कर लेता हूँ रस्ते पे. So where do I land up? At मुच्छड़ पान वाला. And उधर कुछ नहीं है, बंद है ना.
Obviously, हाँ. This is now
दुकान
what
बंद है,
4
but you
in the
just have
morning.
this plank.
No,
I just chilled on that. And while chilling, I
आग लग
slept.
गई.
मैं सो गया हूँ. ठीक है, और फिर सडनली एक टाइम में मेरी आंख खुली है एंड दिस डूड my friend's friend is going to a gym which is right next to Muchad Panwala. He has seen me. He's like, Varun, what the fuck are you doing? I said, I don't have any explanation. क्या बोलूं उसको मैं क्यों
No, Thakur, you know something?
सुबह
Thakur,
6 बजे सोया हूँ.
Thakur, if he saw you sitting in Muchhad Panwala, he'd just assume कि BMM के बाद job लग गया है. Internship कर रहा है बेचारा.
Bro, कोई फोन नहीं उठाया है तो मैं उधर हूँ. Then I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up. She's supposed to come by 7. So I said, I'll hang around.
हाँ.
मैं वापस सो गया. अभी एक टाइम पे वो आया है. क्या मेरे आंख खुले जो
मुच्छड़ पान वाला आ गया.
वो नहीं आया, मतलब उसके जो उधर काम करते कि क्या
हाँ.
कर रहे हो. ऐसे ब्रो सॉरी क्या हुआ, टाइम 7 बजे फ्रेंड को फोन कर रहा, वो आई नहीं है. फाइनली शी हैज कम एट 7:30. देन आई सैट एंड वी हैव गॉन टू पुणे.
Once again, why is Muchhad Panwala coming at 7 o'clock? Who are these people who need... अरे 7 बजे उठ, चलो आज पान हो जाए. Just, who is this Ajay Devgan who is showing up? अबे
मॉर्निंग
7
वॉक
बजे वाला
के
पान
बाद
चाहिए
मैं
भाई.
मॉर्निंग पान तो दबाता हूँ.
और मुच्छड़ पान वाला ऐसे diligently आ रहा है 7 बजे. भाई, I
I'm
need to
assuming there's a
give
lot
that
of
for my
I'm
customers.
assuming there's a lot of prep when it comes to snipping the tops and the bottoms of the pan.
ब्रो उधर सिगरेट विगरेट वो सब भी मिलता है ना. आया होगा जल्दी.
He's making a fresh batch of Gulkand in the morning.
Yeah.
Katta
Artisanal Gulkand.
Artisanal and hand rolled, literally hand rolled. Hello.
Yuck.
Oh, outstanding. Okay, shall we move to the next
और
section?
तू किधर नहीं सोया?
हाँ, तू कहीं सोया है क्या कौतुक?
Train
Weird
पे.
places. I don't know what this episode will be called. Weird
This
places
is
we've
going
slept
no,
at.
this is going to be called a Nirvana song title. Where did you sleep last night?
I'm thinking, man, like I think I've slept once definitely on a Mumbai local and gone up and down.
हाँ.
हाँ.
वो तो किया
Right,
हूँ.
right.
Want people to fuck around, don't wake you up, huh?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think one of the worst places I've slept is I had gone for karate camp. Okay. It was fucking, I don't even know, in the 90s.
Good.
In the 90s.
Yeah.
That's 35 years ago.
Wait 1 second. Baba, pause.
One
pause.
second.
Pause. Please pause. Please
90s.
describe what karate
What were
karate camps
the
used to look
90s
in the
like?
90s.
Oh yeah.
एक मिनट guys, we were also there. अपन भी गए कराटे कैंप में.
अबे
खुद गए.
नहीं बाबा's
हम
karate
लोग 4
camp.
साल के थे.
I promise you,
हाँ.
Baba's karate camp would be a camp
हाँ.
which none of us have been to.
You know,
Yeah.
yes, you're right, Kautuk. Because I
Yes.
just tell you, despite being in boarding school in Panchgani, living in Bombay, my karate camp,
It sounds like you're saying karate. Like it's some dude
Yeah.
called karate who's running a camp. अरे karate camp ले ऐसा का.
Quite possible.
it is karate camp only.
Okay, Baba, from now on, it is karate camp.
Karate class.
Yeah.
Karate surgery class.
My karate camp, the one thing that I learned in karate camp was the word lonsa.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Lonsa.
I remember
Lonsa.
this. I remember this.
Have I told you this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the place that,
Lonsa means pickle, guys, in Marathi.
Yeah.
so I have learned the
But
word
I can't believe that you went to karate camp.
Karate camp में lonsa क्यों चल रहा है?
Lots.
फिर भी मिर्ची.
Anchi, lots.
कच्ची कैरी,
तुम लोग
मिर्ची, नींबू.
And it's just different achars. It's not even Maharashtrian dishes. It's
Basic.
just achar.
ठेचा, झुमका, भाकर,
So yeah, now
तांबडा रस्सा, पांढरा रस्सा,
as I was
Sweet
going
मळेदार मिसळ,
as I was going to my karate camp,
भजी,
we had all gone by train. The Gojukai Karate.
कोथिंबीर वडी.
Go chukai.
Ah, yes.
Go chukai. Goju kashala.
The Gojukai Karate Do.
हाँ, ए, डोजो स्कूल ऑफ कराटे डू, मैं भी उसमें था.
अब बोल रहा है.
क्या?
लेकिन मेरा माहिम में था, सेंट
ओ,
माइकल्स.
मेरा पार्ला ब्रांच था.
पार्ला में कौन कराटे सीख रहा है?
अबे रास्ते में डोजो स्कूल ऑफ कराटे डू, उसमें कराटे सीखते हैं.
First of all, a dojo is the place. Dojo school नहीं होता. It's the chai latte problem. वो लोग हम लोग का चाय लाटे कर रहे हैं, हम लोग उनका डोजो स्कूल कर रहे हैं.
मैं 6 साल का था, मेरे को नहीं मालूम डोजो का मतलब स्कूल होता है. मेरे को लगा
Chai
उसका
latte,
लाटे,
bro. It's chai tea.
Chai tea. हाँ, chai tea and dojo school.
चाय टी लाटे.
Bro, because there are so many people out there in the world who still call it judo karate as if it's one thing. I have learned judo karate.
So it's like a Udupi restaurant, सब मिलता है उधर. इधर आएगा सब.
थोड़ा ऊपर से कुंफू भी डाल देना
चाउमीन
भाई.
है, चाउमीन. आजा. सबने इकडे कराटे, taekwondo.
Masala taekwondo.
That's the most Marathi way of saying taekwondo. Taekwondo.
ए taekwondo.
Thai
अरे कराटे से बोला taekwondo.
taekwondo, guys.
Guys, come on.
Right there.
Let's not.
Two thighs.
सर बाबा स्टोरी बता तू अपना कराटे स्कूल का स्टोरी बता.
अरे वो स्टोरी वो ही नहीं था. स्टोरी स्टार्टेड विद वेयर डिड यू स्लीप ब्रो.
Correct, where did you sleep,
कहाँ
Baba?
सोया तो अपने.
So on the way to the karate camp, we were all in the train in the outstation train. We were in those trains, and what happened is that obviously overbooked and RAC and people and this that and the other. तो ये सब चला है. तो हम लोग को मिला है 1-2 सीट ये वो
एक दो सीट पे सब बच्चे.
तो मैं फ्राई हो गया है. मैं बोला, और मैं बहुत थका है, ठीक है. तो मैं बोला फक ऑफ ये सब. और मैं दो बोगी को जोड़ के वो एक ऐसा एक बनता है जिसमें वो ये ऐसे ऐसे जाता है ऑन द फ्लोर
क्या?
बिटवीन टू बोगीज.
क्या
इट्स बिटवीन
वही
टू
वही
बोगीज.
जो एक्शन मूवी में तू ये कर देते
अच्छा,
ताकि
अच्छा.
दोनों ट्रेन सेपरेट हो जाए.
नहीं.
वो
हाँ
ओ अच्छा, तो बीच वाला बोल रहा है जो हिलता है शार्क जैसा.
Oh.
The
वो connected है रे.
there are two bogies where the thing
Accordion. That
connects.
accordion.
The
Yeah, yeah,
accordion
हाँ, accordion,
has a
accordion.
little
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So I have said fuck it and I have slept there because I was really tired. So then I've slept there. So literally people have, not kidding, walked
One
over
second.
me.
you're telling me you get seasick but तू जाके वो अकॉर्डियन पे सोया है.
अरे मैं सो गया ब्रो. मैं बहुत थक गया था तो मैं सो गया. अरे ब्रो मैं बोट पे सो नहीं सकता ना क्योंकि पानी बार बार छटक.
Attack. By the way, I do remember one weird place I've slept at. I've slept at and on Murud Beach. Okay, near.
बीच पे सो गए.
Beach.
मुरुड जंजीरा.
हाँ,
नहीं it's the
तो-
मुरुड. हाँ
अरे
Again.
जलजीरा नहीं है बे.
Zanzira.
वे जलजीरा नहीं, जंजीरा बोला.
हाँ ओके हाँ.
So,
मुरुड जलजीरा.
so basically, college friends, we've all gone. There used to be a friend who had a house there. So उधर से निकले फिर बोला अरे bro, you have to see fantastic beach. Come, let's go. Night time. चटाई लेके
Fantastic
गए.
beach and where to find
फैंटास्टिक
them.
बीच एंड वेयर टू फाइंड. अरे
मुरुड जंजीरा. Fantastic beach and where to.
But in the night, it is unbelievably like it's
Beautiful.
peaceful and mast. तो चटाई लेके गए, ठीक है, with intention of sleeping there. लगाया, okay. Now before I tell you the fun part, I must tell you the beautiful part. So laying there, I have seen a moon rise. Okay, it's come up from the freaking sea and shit. It was crazy, beautiful thing. फिर about 3 o'clock, okay, about 3 o'clock, suddenly we start hearing like scampering of feet. Okay, और फिर साइड में देखे तो you know how like in movies you see like a gang of villains approach in slow motion, you know, where they're like when they come towards you, gang of dogs,
ओह
That's deadlier.
much deadlier, ठीक है, gang of dogs, they've come ऐसा full style में slow motion में फड़क करके आप पहुंच गए.
fuck.
Exactly.
Yeah.
क्या ऐसे चाकू वाकू लेके आया कुत्ते.
Exactly that. Whatever Thakur is doing.
What is this?
Imagine
Goju
that.
पे karate do.
Yeah, imagine
अरे
that.
नहीं, तुझे कुत्ता रामपुरी लेके आया है.
हाँ
Gang लेके आया है, घेर लिया उन लोग, ठीक है. They have surrounded that whole this thing, and now we're just like, bro, fuck. Like at any point, these dogs can do like basically we're in their territory. This Murud Zanzira beach is theirs.
हाँ
ठीक है, वो लोग रात को अपुन का इलाका है, तुम लोग कौन है? So they have surrounded us. They've circled us for a little while. We're expecting something to happen. We're just still ओके फिर थोड़ा टाइम वो लोग देखा, फिर हम लोग उनको देखा, देन they just sat down and we have both watched the moon together.
ओह, लाइक राडा राडा बाद में करेंगे, पहले चांद तो देखे।
थोड़ा सेलेस्टियल मूवमेंट देखा जाए।
हाँ,
Fun, fun.
तो
हाँ
साथ
ब्रो,
में बैठ के
लेकिन
तुम लोग सब ऐसा किया कि आओ आओ सब किया तुम लोग ने साथ में?
नहीं, सब कुत्ते इसके साथ बैठ के ब्लेंडर स्प्राइट पी रहे, ये दे रहे हम लोग को फिर एक। ये क्या है, चिकन टिक्का? अरे थैंक यू यार।
Why
वो
would
लोग
the dogs not have black dog? I
they
don't
will have black
understand.
dog. I was doing that. They will have black dog.
ये तू क्या हम लोग को पी रहा है? नहीं रे, ये
ये
भाई
खाने
लोग,
वाला कुत्ता।
ये अपने कोई भाई को पी रहा है। हाँ, ब्लैक डॉग पी रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है? ये black dog पी रहा है।
Box
वापस राडा शुरू।
हाँ
fuck, amazing.
हाँ, तो बाबा और क्या चल रहा है तेरे इसमें? तू पानी में था, फिर खटमल काटा, फिर उसके बाद
Karate.
Crazy soya.
कराटे क्लास के लिए गया, फिर
तो मेरे को ना 5-7 साल से एक टीवी चाहिए, एक पर्टिकुलर
तेरे पास 7 साल से टीवी नहीं है?
आई न्यू इट.
क्या बात कर रहा है बाबा?
Now
Are
that
these
I think
people
about
not
it, I've
paying
never
you?
seen
So
a
you're
TV at
telling
Baba's
me,
house.
yeah, so you're telling me these people are making you work so hard and not paying you also for a TV?
He doesn't get time to see the TV.
ओ, तो
क्या
खरीदे
फोन पे
नहीं।
देखता है सारा कंटेंट?
So
बाबा
Watch
practicing
पे।
self control.
ओ बाप,
बाबा वॉच पे शोज देख रहे।
कंट्रोल उदय।
सब लोग बोलते रहे, नेविल व्हाट यू डूइंग? इट्स 3 o'clock. Yeah, we get it,
Yeah.
but
अरे मेरा फेवरेट टीवी शो आ रहा है नेटफ्लिक्स पे। अरे देख 3D में अभी 3D
When Baba sees something, he's actually watching it.
में।
सॉरी बाबा, देख हम लोग 6 महीने से ये करने के लिए रुके थे, हम नहीं कर पाए, तो आज सब
हाँ।
करेंगे।
चल,
fine.
3 गुना
चल बता।
लगान देना पड़ेगा।
Yes,
तुम सारा बाबा लोग हमारे।
अभी देख, अभी लोग रोएंगे, अरे ये लोग ऐसा करते हैं इसलिए बाबा आता नहीं है। अरे
Don't you guys think they were very mean to Baba?
They're so mean to Baba.
Guys, please let Baba talk. ये देख, ये मैं प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा हूँ, अगर ये कमेंट आ गया तो बाबा तो 1000 रुपया देगा मेरे को पर
हाँ,
कमेंट का।
हर
लेट
एक
बाबा
हाँ।
टॉक। अगर 1000 कमेंट आए या 500 कमेंट आए, जितने कमेंट आएंगे उतना पैसा तू मेरे को देगा।
Oh,
Guys.
perfect.
Guys, come
but
on,
I am not okay with this. You can't.
please comment and say
Guys,
let
comment,
Baba talk.
let's let Baba talk.
One second, let's take a vote quickly. I think this is fine. Other one
Yes, it's fine.
Yeah, I think.
And for
I think
Baba,
this is
it's a fine.
Yeah.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da
And
da.
Baba, we're going to put the GPay ka screenshot on our
हाँ,
this Instagram. Okay, so you can't just scratch up.
Yeah, so you give your GPay ka screenshot because I'm not doxing.
You give GPay along with all details. Huh?
Yeah.
Going.
No, but you give,
guys,
guys.
if you guys pay Baba enough money, he'll come on the podcast more regularly. तो अगर तुम लोग if you guys pool in and be like
Yeah.
अरे guest appearance, तो बाबा का रेट कार्ड अलग से बनेगा, हम लोग भेजते हैं तुम लोग।
No, by the way,
हाँ.
Baba can take a screenshot because like there are sometimes when you make a GPay this thing, the guy tells you, "Sir, I need to take a photo of."
Yeah.
What? Sometimes all the time. All the time.
And then you just give your whole bank account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chal,
Account
Baba,
debited from account number 56328410 IndusInd Bank. अरे suddenly कल 5 lakhs withdrawn from your account. अरे किसने लिया? Sorry, Raju. That's taken. हाँ बाबा, सॉरी, क्या था तेरे को 7 साल से टीवी चाहिए था, फिर क्या हुआ?
7 साल टीवी नहीं है तेरे पास?
So
It's weird कि 80s में तेरे साथ यही हो रहा है यार, अभी भी तेरे साथ 7 साल से मुझे टीवी देखना था लेकिन मैं देख नहीं पाया।
80s में 7 साल के लिए एक चैनल था देखने के लिए। अभी टीवी नहीं है।
so I wanted to buy this particular TV and
Which TV?
अच्छा,
Baba?
नाम तो बता, कुछ तो दे,
हाँ,
ऐसे
हाँ।
सीक्रेटिव क्या रख
बता।
रहा है? क्या होता है टीवी में?
no I the Samsung frame. Okay, so
Oh.
इधर देख, इधर देख,
इधर क्या दिखा रहा था?
ऐसा कर देख,
ऐसा
दिखेगा तेरे
कहाँ
को।
है?
यहाँ थोड़ा आगे ऐसे लेफ्ट में। अबे मेरे घर पे तू देखा हुआ है साले, मालूम नहीं पड़ता है कि टीवी है कि
वो
पेंटिंग।
दैट्स अ टीवी।
हाँ तो तुझे क्या लगा पेंटिंग का शौक है मुझे बहुत.
मैं सोचा तूने ये जो तेरे बगल वाली दीवार है उससे टीवी हटा दिया जहाँ पे वीडियो गेम खेलते हो. व्हाट अ स्टूपिड डिसीजन.
नहीं इधर अभी मिरर है लेकिन वहां है सैमसंग फ्रेम टीवी. हाँ तो बाबा 7 साल से तू क्यों नहीं खरीद पा रहा?
Not kharid pa raha. I was procrastinating. I didn't think whatever. So I bought the TV. Now this is why. Now what happened is when they sent it, the and this story is not about Samsung or Chroma or anything like that. This is a story about me only in this scenario. So the so I bought the TV and I'm very excited to have it. Obviously, so first of all, from the day I purchased it, all the way to it coming was about a 21-day gap, which just makes no sense, but it was.
तूने क्या मेट्रो ऑर्डर किया था कि भाई मेरे इसमें थोड़ा अरुगुला डाल के देना
And
मतलब.
it looks like it was made to order. I'll come to the story. So, and I think there was a sign on कुछ तो ऐसा राशि वाशी का सीन था उस वक्त. Not
अरे
Rashi.
इसमें भी राशि.
Not, I knew it.
अरे व्हाट्स योर राशि.
So,
गिर गया.
टीवी पे खटमल है.
so
माइक गिर गया.
at this point, I have I have basically ordered, and now I've gone and paid, but my card, they don't have the machine for my card. And I'm like, fuck you, I'm going to pay. This is a huge amount. I'm going to pay it on this card only. Right?
They don't have a card machine. What?
No, they don't have, that store didn't take Amex plan. Okay, so
Ah,
It's the store didn't take Amex. Amex Plat का कोई अलग मशीन नहीं आता है लोडू. तो तो बोला
so
they didn't
after
take
all of
Amex
this,
Plat.
wait. So after all of this, they've sent
डाल दिया तूने एक तो ऐसे गुगली.
Bro,
In
one
office-
second. By the way,
ऐसे शर्माते हुए Amex Platinum बोला है ना.
Thakur, you know something?
Hmm.
The main privilege of having an Amex card is to ask, "Hey, do you accept Amex?"
No. So
And
no,
the
it's
reason
not
is no, sir.
one sec. The problem is that they do accept it. At that point, they didn't have the machine, whatever. So, cut to
Why? Where
the
did where
next
did it go?
day. So the next day, they have sent someone from their Lower Parel store to my office to swipe the remaining amount. 1,000 रुपया लिया था एक दूसरे कार्ड पे और बाकी का
क्या तो रुमाल रखा था 1,000 का?
then they one sec.
टीवी दे रही पब्लिक आजकल.
Guys, one sec. I will give you one piece. I will do act 1, act 2, act 3. You
Okay.
do
ये
jokes in
दुकान का
act
नाम
1.
बता. मैं कल जाके 1,000 रुपए दे रहा हूँ लेके आ रहा हूँ सैमसंग फ्रेम टीवी और उसका गायब.
Nahin,
I-
but they didn't give me the TV. Na, the TV came after 21 days. So calm down. So they've sent a guy to Lower Parel. Now the machine that has come to Lower Parel is also not accepting.
What?
Finally, and this should have been the sign. Okay, some 3.5, 4 days later, they have sent the guy home, and then it has worked.
Now he stays with you.
Pretty
He
much.
stays with you and he fully vastulos.
Pretty much. So
This-
now,
Cash.
and I'll-
This is cash on delivery except cash stands for Kashyap. और कश्यप पीछे रहता है टीवी के साथ.
and I'll explain to you. I think
The machine is not working, but relationship is.
I'll explain to you how this is true. Because the first time the TV came, and you 7 years, very excited, very hopeful, very desirous of this thing. Comes, he opens it,
Hopeful.
and as soon as he opens it, on the screen there is one like a dhabba,
What?
which is
The
on the
TV has a
screen.
rash. The TV has a rash.
बाबा की टीवी भी गुजारी है. सैमसंग स्क्रैच टीवी.
There is a
थोड़ा मेरा रेजोल्यूशन खराब है. ये क्यों ऐसे सो रहा है? नहीं टीवी गुजारी है.
नहीं वो
I
खटमल
was
थे उसके
like,
डब्बे में.
guys,
तो-
there is no fucking way I'm accepting this or whatever. They said, of course, yeah. The person who installed it took
Do you
it.
accept the person? Yes, that person I accept.
Then the next day they called an engineer, blah blah blah. They said, okay, we'll exchange it. Let it hang on your wall.
Let it hang on your wall.
Yeah, we'll exchange it or whatever. Then some 8 days later, they sent a second TV.
Huh?
Second TV, they've taken this TV, second TV they've opened, again, same patch is there. And then they're like, sir, keep it on for 4 hours, blah, blue. I've done all of this.
How
ये
तेरे
क्या टीवी है जिसको थोड़ा गर्म करना
wait,
पड़ता है.
wait,
ये स्कूटर है क्या?
wait.
टीवी को ऐसे साइड में करो,
Wait,
थोड़ा
wait.
तेल आएगा साइड में.
Wait,
फिर
wait.
किक स्टार्ट करो.
Then I fought to them. I'm like, guys, what the fuck are you all doing? You all give me something from a different lot or a different batch, right? Because this could be a batch problem.
अब तेरे पास ओप्पो फ्रेम टीवी है.
So 20 days later, they have sent a third TV.
Oh fuck! Oh god!
They take it out of the box, and the patch is still there.
And right behind the TV, there's a guy with a gun who's going to shoot you if you
No,
don't.
then the
swipe
TVs
your
are all
card.
like, "Abe, तेरे पास भी patch, मेरे पास भी patch," and then all three brothers unite, knowing that they were separated at birth.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm not
तो
necessarily.
अपने टीवी को डायपर पहना ले क्योंकि
अभी बाबा is back to watching. अरे शो बहुत अच्छा है. I
So-
never watching TV. No, 3 बजे.
But what is the patch? What is that patch?
हाँ,
Honestly, even they aren't able to find
तूने
out.
तूने ऑन किया एक बार?
अरे चल रहा है, सब कुछ चल रहा है, टीवी भी चल रहा है. Even if you turn it on, you can't. I mean, if you're watching like a high contrast film or something like that, like if there's a high contrast frame, you'll be able to see the thing. So it does disrupt. I mean, it's not about it. It's out of the box. It's faulty. So you obviously want to exchange it. And they are also they're also fully baffled because my first assumption, the noob that I am, was that ये थर्मोकॉल किसको बहुत जोर से दबा है टीवी में तो एक निशान रह गया.
हाँ, बट होता है. मेरे इधर किसी का ऑयली थंब लग गया है, तो वो उसका एक निशान रह गया है. One of my helps was cleaning the TV, but while she wore bangles. What's your Rashi? सीधा.
So,
TV
so I thought it was the thermocol thing, but obviously they put that little styrofoam, like tiny little paper in the middle or whatever. So it's not that. But the thing is, all three in the same spot is damn weird. So it's clearly some.
Can I give you my TV and then you return that also and then get a new one? Say that, hey
Yeah.
guys, this is also faulty. ठीक है. देख अपन ऐसा गेम खेलते हैं. कहाँ से
हाँ.
किया तूने?
so guys, you know this hack about IKEA, right?
What?
So this is one guy who figured out a hack. Ke if you buy
Other, one
furniture
second.
from IKEA,
Other, hold
हाँ,
on. Is it a hack or is it a fraud?
Yeah.
it's a fraud. It's a
It's a
fraud.
fraud. हाँ, okay.
It's a fraud. So this guy figured
I had
out.
an inkling. I don't know why.
So basically, what they do, this guy, if you buy furniture from IKEA, you take it back home and you assemble it, and a lot of people don't like the furniture. It's like nahi acha laga, and they return it, and they have a no questions asked return policy. But what IKEA does is they don't disassemble it. If you just give back the made kursi तूने बनाया वापस दिया, you give it back to them. They will sell it on a separate area which is called assembled furniture.
Yeah.
And that is for half the price. So what this guy figured out, he figured out all the stuff that he wanted to buy, he assembles it, gives it back to IKEA, and then goes back downstairs and then buys the same chair at a 50% discount.
Wow.
Wow.
Come on. Is IKEA making frame TVs? Because then that's the only way Baba's getting a.
Bro, this is not IKEA. This is मैं किया और फिर मैं लिया.
Yeah. What a nice one, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
Bro,
Chalo,
by
chalo,
the way,
IKEA.
other, you have single-handedly, you're going to cause a ripple effect, which is
Yeah,
going
this
to
is,
end with
if
IKEA
this reel
leaving
goes
IKEA.
viral.
This is going to end with IKEA saying, sorry, we can't do this business here anymore.
ये क्या किया? ये क्या किया?
Oh man.
Sorry, बाबा तेरे को टीवी मिला क्या?
हाँ फिर?
तो अभी क्या पैच के साथ जी रहा है तू?
अभी तेरे पास तीनों टीवी है घर पे कि तूने वापस भेज दिया कि तेरे पास 3 पैची फ्रेम टीवी है?
2 गए हैं और पैच एडम्स. अभी इसका भी रिप्लेसमेंट का सीन जुगाड़ चल रहा है.
But they're just giving you a replacement. They're not going to give you something over and above. They won't give you a discount. Like you've not asked for anything more.
I just want my TV.
अबे 7 साल से
तो क्या तुमको लगता
ये लगा के
है
रखा है।
सैमसंग वाले ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं तो ऐसा क्या?
मेरे को
Samsung.
If you are a brand manager from another rival company and you think your TV is better than that TV, send it to us.
Yeah.
I mean, send it to Baba, then we'll take it.
And send a card machine which accepts Amex, please.
Amex Platinum.
Amex Plat.
Flat.
They kept telling us that he's saying sir अभी आप refund ले लो और दूसरा टीवी ले लो. I said नहीं मेरे को यही चाहिए.
You think that's the
बाबा
साथ
तू रिफंड लेके दूसरे दुकान पे क्यों नहीं जा सकता? मेरे को नहीं समझ में
मैं
आया.
दूसरे दुकान पे जा
My
सकता
entire
हूँ.
process was 3 hours.
I agree. Mine will be
Out of
less.
which 2 hours I spent finding the place. Then the entire process was 1 hour.
And then half an hour was finding parking.
The problem
actual
isn't
purchasing of
the
the
problem
TV was
isn't
5
buying
minutes.
it from another thing. I'm saying the delivery is still coming from, say, Samsung, right? Like that's the reality.
अरे but maybe they've sent patchy ones to this particular.
हाँ
उधर कहीं और कुछ और डैमेज है.
Let's see.
I think Varun is lucky that way. The only thing patchy in his house is Varun's beard.
अबे
And his internet connection. Oh, that's two things.
अरे बोलना मत भाई, मेरा इंटरनेट मस्त चल रहा है अभी, ठीक है? पिछले 150 एपिसोड से तो कोई लोचे नहीं हुए, तो तुम पता नहीं किसकी बात कर.
तो अभी तक साई सर्विस में है कि शिफ्ट?
ऑलवेज
Oh, fuck, loyalty. देखो कुछ
लॉयल्टी
customer
नहीं,
loyalty
लैक ऑफ
points.
चॉइस. लैक ऑफ चॉइस, मजबूरी का नाम लॉयल्टी.
Oh, it's a cartel.
अबे इधर कुछ नहीं चलता है, और मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ ना, आई कांट
वो
वेट.
लोग वायर काट के जाते हैं.
ना करते हैं इन लोग का इंतजार. साइलरिंग इंटरनेट मत डालना रे. बाबा
Okay.
हाँ, खा ले खाना है, खा ले.
यही
क्या
बचा.
कौन से कोई अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट गया कि नहीं 6 महीने में, कि
Hmm.
यही टीवी और अंडमान के बीच में?
उडुपी श्री कृष्ण
है 2-3 अच्छा जगह, मैसेज करता हूँ.
मैसेज करता है. बोलना पब्लिक.
You know the whole purpose of asking you this on a podcast is so you mention it on the podcast. But तू बोल रहा है मैसेज करता हूँ.
अरे 11
This whole podcast could have been an email blast to each of us. Sorry.
Become non-veg again, na?
It's become non-veg again, and in your absence, I've gotten 100 people who sent me that, saying I should send it to you. So, here.
This is Varun sending you a message.
Non-base. Hey, by the way, speaking of food, I'll tell you this.
Hmm.
Oh no.
This is outstanding. ठीक है. तो basically
You
this.
really have to learn the definition of that word, Kautuk.
Oh, Baba, I promise you, when you hear the story, you'll be like, shit.
That's
तो-
exactly what I will say.
Okay, ready? So basically क्या होता है कि this is classic internet said so, okay? Because I found this on the internet. This is a screenshot of a WhatsApp message that was posted to a group, a WhatsApp group, okay, of a girls' hostel. Right? Beautiful. That's where it starts. So this person has written this message. They started with, "Hey guys, I had kept a Milky Mist yogurt cup in the fridge for a small project." Mind you, this is a university girls' hostel. I had kept Milky Mist yogurt cup in fridge for small project. It contains a lactobacillus.
That sounds deadly.
Yeah.
But isn't lactobacillus the one that makes curd?
Lactobacillus casei culture that I'm working with under supervision. It's completely safe and won't spread to other food. I have packed it properly and culture is contained and host specific. It won't proliferate outside the yogurt medium. It will not spread by any means to other food. Consumption of it can be, I don't know what will happen. I have packed it perfectly for no one to take it. I wanted the optimum temperature for it. I am very, very concerned. If someone has consumed or taken it, please reach out ASAP so I can give you my microbiologist contact. It needs to be tracked properly or I have no idea what will happen. And at this point, it switches to all caps. Please go to a doctor at least. Guys, please do not consume anything that is in the fridge. I'm super annoyed and concerned. Please reach out.
वाह, तो अभी किसी के पेट में लैक्टोबैसिलस घूम रहा है.
Also, I just want to say, Kautuk, there is a part in that where she has written about culture. And that to say that's pretty accurate for culture as well. Because she has said it will not spread, it will not proliferate to other things. It will stay contained. I have packed it properly. These are all great.
वो बैक्टीरिया का कल्चर है क्या? तुम बैक्टीरिया तो जो करेगा उसका कल्चर है.
हमारे इधर वो कल्चर नहीं चलता. देखो उनका कल्चर अलग है.
But also
बैक्टीरिया में बोल, बैक्टीरिया में बात कर. ये वायरस नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पे.
So there's like, can you imagine that one person, right? Who the classic, this is always like common fridge problem. There is a common fridge, there is always that one person who opens the common fridge, sees something that they think is common, right? But it belongs to somebody that is specific. So this person picks it up, walks away with it, right? And so this person was like, "Arey, Milky Mist, chalo, ho gaya mera aaj ka
But
protein."
he didn't notice that. Why would you open something that is like, if supposed to be sealed? Like, why would I open a Milky Mist that is not sealed? Clearly, it was not sealed.
I mean,
I also want to just say one thing. Kautuk, you eat Milky Mist curd.
I've had Milky Mist curd. I don't eat it.
No, the fact that it was Toma for you, I'm not
Toma?
top of mind. For you,
एक मिनट क्या
1
क्या
second.
सीख क्या है क्या सीख क्या है हाँ क्या सीख क्या है
Arey bro, it's not Sikh, it's
Toma.
टोमा
top of mind awareness.
हाँ वही टॉप ऑफ माइंड टॉम होता है टोमा क्यों है
Top of
Awareness
mind
में-
Top of mind awareness.
बट व्हाट
Tom
यू पुट
awareness नहीं है।
अवेयरनेस आफ्टर जस्ट टॉप ऑफ माइंड
No,
Huh.
the fact
We
that
can't
that is
say-
where you went, Kautuk.
Huh? What? No.
Milky Mist was what you randomly said.
No, this
No,
person has
it's an
written
actual Milky Mist.
Oh, okay.
Why would I randomly say Milky?
I thought Milky Mist was in your mind.
Like,
Like the lactobacillus was.
I'm not on the side of this girl who has put cultured lactobacillus cacti into a Milky Mist and just put it in a common fridge and bounced. But
Yeah.
she's
packed it and all
do not consume full of bacteria. Do not consume. You will get the shits. Do not consume. It's not yours. ये ले बैक्टीरिया वाला मिल्की मिस्ट पे लो अभी जाओ
by the way, I like how she has first started with that full disclaimer. Guys, to absolve herself, right? Guys, it would not have spread, it would not have this thing, it was perfectly packed. But if you ate it, which you fucking did,
Bro, imagine
where is
some-
my lactobacillus?
somebody has gotten up, they have a job interview, they open the fridge, they're like, अरे अच्छे काम
दही
से
शक्कर।
पहले गुड लक के लिए थोड़ा दही हो जेश और उसने ले लिया मिल्की मिक्स
चम्मच दही पी के जा बेटा।
डाल दिया चम्मच पे लिया शक्कर आज तो ये जॉब में लेके रहूंगा उधर गया है एंड where do you see yourself after 5 years?
Next 5 minutes in that bathroom.
But
Final
by the
interview
way-
हो गया।
But I also want
by
to
the
say
way,
one
tell me
thing.
about
What
your
if it
hobbies.
was? I'm saying, what if it was a booby trap? Like she basically wrote this to flush out the person who ate her curd, but that's still a great way to do it.
Genius.
Oh,
Right,
तो तुम
like-
बेसिकली बोलो
Yeah.
मेरे खाने में जहर था. Every time someone steals something in your office fridge.
Genius.
Bro, if you want to get somebody out of that, you put like Jamal Gota, so that then people get the
Jamal,
get the
Jamal,
shit.
Jamal.
But the person who's eating random people's food won't know कि उसको कौन से खाने से जमाल गोटा हुआ है ना.
कौन से खाने से
Jamal
जमाल गोटा हुआ
Gota
है?
होता नहीं है. It's
Jamal
not a
Gota is
condition
an
of
ingredient.
of your gonads. Jamal Gota is not the condition. Jamal Gota is not
जमाल गोटा हुआ है.
laxative है वो.
Sorry,
आगे जमाल गोटा हो गया.
Sorry, we couldn't save her. We lost her to Jamal Gota. उनको she's Jamal Gota third stage.
Bro,
Sorry.
ये इसको ये जमाल होता.
Good.
Dude,
भाई तुम लोग ने वो
Apple
थार का
छप्पन.
देखा क्या?
Apple
1 second.
छप्पन.
थार का देखा तुम लोग ने?
yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
what the hell was that? She's driven off the first floor.
What happened? Why was there a car on the first floor?
How did the Thar get to the first floor? is the
It's a
question.
showroom. It's a Mahindra showroom, and it's a Thar. And this woman had purchased a Thar. And खरीदने
He
के
drove
बाद
it
वो लोग
off.
नहीं वो नींबू होता है ना तो गाड़ी के नीचे नींबू तोड़ते हैं तो नींबू रखा था एंड शी हैड टू ड्राइव द कार 1 feet or something.
Oh.
She has floored the accelerator and has gone out the first floor window.
वो
And
showroom
the car has
बांध के.
flipped.
So वो थार था.
Yeah. It is
Yeah.
now for. But the
Car is
DCP,
tha.
the DCP of the police basically came out and said ki, like basically the airbags deployed or something, and everyone was safe. And this car has fully totaled. It is remarkable. Like, bro, ye Thar. By the way, do you know this? There is a subreddit, okay, where people have documented
I
the
saw your story.
shenanigans. They've documented the shenanigans of Thar owners, like the crazy ones. and that subreddit is called Rethards.
Oh shit. But bro, you imagine she has decided to drive the Thar because नींबू तोड़ना है, ठीक है, मैं इसमें विश्वास करती हूँ.
For good luck.
But then she is flown off the first floor, so clearly good luck didn't work. But then she
No,
survived.
I think, dude,
Survived,
that's where
right?
the good luck came in.
Survived.
Thank God.
अभी तो now is further reinforced कि भाई देख, मैं अगर नींबू नहीं तोड़ा होता तो it would have been worse.
अगर नींबू नहीं होता तो तू गाड़ी ही नहीं चलाती ना फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे.
So why are we spending so much, like why are we emphasizing this के अच्छा ठीक है नींबू का गलती है इसका गलती, why are we not giving cars to licensed drivers? Maybe that should be a priority के भाई this is wrong, maybe you guys should actually pay attention during the driving test and legend
Maybe.
लोग को देना चाहिए.
One second, bro. Can you imagine the people who are just walking down, going about their day? The last thing you expect that will happen in your daily life is you just see a Thar fly down and fall.
And then you go, Rohit Shetty shooting कर रहा है क्या?
One second, if I'm walking down the street and if I had to expect any car to be flying across and falling, it would be a Thar.
Yeah.
That would be the car I would expect.
And then you would be like,
Bro, there's a guy who has survived a Thar on the road and he's just parked and then boom.
Just lands on top of his car.
But ये subreddit में क्या है? थार वालों ने किया क्या है और?
तो बहुत सारे चीजें यार, like
I saw a meme that said jellyfish is the second animal that doesn't have a brain. The first one are Thar owners.
but some of the videos, man, there's one video. So basically, the bulk of the videos of Thar is
Off-roading.
but on a divider. वो लोग
हाँ.
बस divider खान
Oh.
के निकल जाते हैं. Bro.
in fairness, that is off-roading.
They're just off the road.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
yeah.
off-roading. They're just off the road.
What are they on? They are on whatever is available to us.
Bro, there are so many videos where the Thar just like the Thar owner decides, okay, on that day, what road is one way, what road is two way.
What is the road? What is the road?
Thar guy
आप
decides.
झाड़ों पे चला रहे हो, आज ये रोड सीधा मैंग्रोव्स पे चलाते जा रहा है. अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हो? चलिए.
There's one video where one Thar guy has come and he's just smashed his way through a whole street filled with bikes. Okay, he's just smashed them and he's gone. Okay, wrong way. He's out. Okay, at this point, if you're a Thar owner and you're still in traffic, it's a lack of imagination and acceleration. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's just wrong.
I'm just shocked कि वो गुड़गांव में जो traffic jam हुआ था, there wasn't a Thar just driving on top of everybody like a monster truck.
Bro, there's one.
तो आइडिया मत दे, चालू हो जाएगा कल से.
There's one video where there are literally, okay, so the Thar is parked in one, like they were doing some party. Okay, so they like that kind of party they do where they put like these sheets, okay, to make one cordoned off area. They have lights, music, and all of that.
You mean the Shamiana? Is that what
Shamiana, that's the word I was looking for.
Wow.
ठीक है, तो शामियाने में थार घुसा दिया है और 20 लोग थार के ऊपर नाच रहे.
It's a running nightclub. You can make it your own, bro.
Yeah, bro. The amazing thing about that was the philosophical question. Okay, is it a dance floor or is it a dance roof?
Yeah.
It is terrific.
It also begs the question of how many clowns can you actually fit into a Thar?
That's like Qualis, because I've never seen less than 18 people in a Qualis. नोटिस कर, कॉलेज में कभी भी ना ऐसे पैक्ड रहते, ऐसे विंडो के स्टार्ट. कभी भी देखना, हमेशा तो ऐसे कोई हाईवे पे होगा तो पीछे होगा. Gen Z कॉलेज used to be like an SUV that used to be there back in the day, and it is literally how many people can we stuff inside?
There's always one child who's facing the opposite direction, just staring at you.
Who's just mortified. People are cramped, and the driver has a massive mustache. Confirm.
Yes.
Also, the driver is an auto rickshaw driver X, because he has his one hand is
Always
outside
on.
the window like this because he is holding on to the door because the door is partially open and he's driving like this. So two more people can fit on this seat. So
There's one dude sitting on the gearbox. He's on. He gets moved as whenever car goes gear one.
नहीं तू उसको बोलेगा that's an automatic stick shift. You just tell Gopal, hey Gopal, second gear.
पीछे जा.
He just अपना hips don't lie.
आगे जा.
it can also be suddenly saying, अरे ये gear नहीं है.
What a quality joke.
क्या कर रहे हो? अरे महेश क्या कर रहे हो? अरे sorry मुझे लगा गियर था.
Bro, but this Qualis, no? With these 18 people, there will still be one Qualis where the dashboard has a TV playing a movie, bro.
Yeah.
What?
Best. Yeah, that was best.
And
Big
Bawa
Pankha and
somehow-
TV.
What?
Somehow that is still more TVs than you have.
Time to get a college. बाबा वैसे तो कॉलेज में देखा थे पर मूछ भी है ऑलरेडी.
हाँ.
बस.
There was a South Korean woman who has the world record. Wait, बता रहा हूँ.
How do you go from college to South Korea? There's literally nothing, even minutely, that connects a
Gaadi.
South Korean woman to a college.
I can.
It's Toyota. It's fucking
I can do
Toyota.
it.
Oh,
But one sec, Toyota is
Toyota is
Japanese. Guys.
Japanese.
Please don't do
Japanese.
अरे
this.
लेकिन वहां पे ज्यादा बिकता है
No,
सब.
other. No.
वहां पे ज्यादा बिकता है गाड़ी.
हाँ, हक दिया है. आदर
I
ने.
didn't know Toyota was not Korean. I
No,
thought
that's
Hero Honda
Mitsubishi.
and that was हाँ.
That's all Japanese.
Ah.
That's all.
Hero
That's
Honda
all
is Indian.
हाँ,
Hero
बोला,
is
बस.
Indian. Honda
नहीं, I
is
thought
Japanese.
Mitsubishi is Japanese. हाँ.
Mitsubishi is Japanese.
Mitsubishi is
हाँ,
Japanese.
so that's what I thought
It
Mitsubishi
is not Korean.
Arey, but Mitsubishi is Lancer. Toyota is Qualis. Both
And
are
Hero
Japanese.
Honda is also not Japanese. Only Honda is Japanese. Hero is
Yes, Hero is
Apna.
Indian.
Here.
Okay, so South Korea में एक औरत है who has the world record for the most failed attempts at a driver's license. She has failed over 960 times.
At
Are
this
they
point,
asking her to drive a space shuttle की what उसको क्या हो रहा है भाई उधर तो ऑटोमेटिक ही है तेरे को एक पेडल दबाना है फिर छोड़ देना है पेडल दबाना छोड़ देना है
You know, but by the way,
No.
sorry, just
But
But
at
she
this
has spent
point,
over
for sure
$10,000.
For sure, we should give her a license, I feel.
no, that's the thing exactly. Like, just you need to pause and just appreciate what 900 attempts looks like.
900 attempts means she has
960.
done 10 hours. 1 second, it also means she's done 10,000 hours of driving.
No, and
Yeah.
also, and also, like, you fail it once, you feel bad. Twice, you're like, oh man, I should really buck up. Third, fourth, fifth. Can you imagine?
At this point, this is her job. She
she
just
should get
does a
paid to
driving
try
test.
yeah so that they show that this is not how you don't drive वैसा उसका वो काम है
क्या कर रही है वो गाड़ी में बैठ के क्या सीधा रिवर्स
क्या करती है exactly that she even if
I
she
don't
does
know.
the opposite people will catch on after the 450th time कि देख भाई उसको fall
This has to be a
reverse
bit.
जाती है
Short
Yeah,
of just coming
yeah.
in and spitting on the tester's face. I don't know what you can do to fail the test so many times. Like
Bro,
at
she's
this point, you
paid
should be the Mozart.
$10,000 I can
Yeah,
forge you a
$10,000
license.
over time. Yeah,
One
over
second.
God knows.
You know something, at this point, at 900 attempts, you know the people taking the driving test intimately.
yeah
You meet them
Yeah.
like very often. Like, you
अरे
know,
वापस
she is probably married to that instructor now कि चल भाई आपसे इतना मिलती हूँ तो हाँ मैं इस दोस्ती को
अरे
रिश्तेदारी में
तू
बदलना
वापस आ
चाहूँ
गई.
ब्रो स्पेयर थॉट वो 900 बार अटेम्प्ट कर रही है और इधर पब्लिक थार सीधा फर्स्ट फ्लोर से नीचे गिरा रहे हैं कि चलो लाइसेंस छोड़ो लेट्स थार सीधा आउट ऑफ द विंडो
But at $10,000, she could have probably hired a driver. For all these years, she could have just had a driver.
$10,000 में गाड़ी खरीदना 2-3
चलाने के लिए लाइसेंस चाहिए ना.
हाँ वो तो है
what is the opposite of a license? Like, what is an anti-license? Can this person, this thing certifies that this person cannot drive this?
Know that this person
If they own
cannot
a Thar.
sit in a car or be in and around a road where vehicles are.
No, bro. At this point, when she goes for the 901 time, ना उधर का ड्राइविंग अथॉरिटी सीधा हाथ ही काट देगा उसको कि काट ही दो भाई, से इसके बाद आएगी नहीं। इसको हमें एक 901 बार तो इसको मैं चांस नहीं दे रहा करने।
You know,
फिर भी
I
आएगी।
think in one attempt, she's just been like, they've been like, can you please enter the car? And she opens the dicky.
Listen, son, this is like 700 times if you come around the car, you need to know that you enter.
I can imagine that.
This
I
is
can
the
imagine
boot.
that. No, I can imagine that there's one police officer who started his career or her career when she took her first attempt. And through the career, this person has met her 9 times, to be 900 and something times. And they're retiring, and she's gone to the retirement party without a license, saying, "Can you drop me back?" I don't have a license.
That's true. Someone must also be dropping her to the test.
Yeah,
ये कैब में होगी ना,
क्या हो सकता है?
साउथ कोरिया है।
still someone dropping you.
वाओ ब्रो, उसको बोल इधर ले ले अपने इधर लाइसेंस।
इधर तो वो लोग तू जाता, meaning there is an option where you can avoid going to the
मत जा।
Yeah.
अच्छा।
अरे आई मीट द डूड आउटसाइड द आरटीओ, टेल हिम कि लाइसेंस चाहिए, वो सब करा देता और घर पे आ गया। ये जिसने भी भेजा था ना बचपन में वो जो लाइसेंस,
Home
मतलब
delivery.
हाउ आर यू लेटिंग मी ऑन द रोड?
Oh, by the way, it would be too funny if this lady's name is Chohan.
That's such a Bombay अंधेरी DN नगर जो
Johan driving school.
इट इज सो नीश, दिस सो नीश कि जो भी जेपी रोड पे रहता है उनको जरूर अच्छा लगेगा ये जो कह रहे चौहान, चौहान और तेजानी।
Chohan Motor Driving School.
आई एम तेजानी मोटर ड्राइविंग स्कूल।
Oh,
Oh, bye.
गला दर्द कर रहा है।
She's
great, great.
Thar. I wonder when a Thar guy goes to a McDonald's drive-through, they just drive through. Chal.
First you see a Thar, then you hear a third.
और उधर लिखा था ड्राइव थ्रू। अरे डोंट ड्राइव थ्रू अस भाई, बाहर मैक्सिकन बोल दे देते तो हमको उड़ा के चले गए। ये
Why is it
मील
in
को सैड मील
Patiala?
बना के।
Why is it in Patiala?
Oh man.
I don't know, it just has that vibe. You
Where
know,
there is a
it's
Thar,
like-
there is a way.
It's almost like ऐसे राइट ऑफ बाइक से तू पहले स्कॉर्पियो चलाता है, ठीक है, उसके बाद अभी तो इंटरमीडिएट लेवल पे है, अभी
हाँ।
फोड़ो लोगों को, सीधा था।
Oh, chalo.
It's
Baba,
also
please take us
aptly
out.
named because it's onomatopoeically Thar.
Yeah.
अरे और पोएटली समझा पहले।
Please, सबको मालूम onomatopoeic तो सबको मालूम।
See, the only road where a Thar can actually drive is, I have to say it, Bihar, guys.
What?
Because there is a village in Bihar, Jehanabad, where the villagers, there was a new road constructed, and the villagers were stealing the road.
Literally stealing
Right
it,
up.
yeah.
They are literally stealing the road.
Shit, बस्ट हो गई आंटी, आंटी बस्ट हो गई। Oh bro,
Shit,
I
man.
just want to know one sec. It would be really cruel if this video was being played in reverse.
They're just making the road.
They're making the road. और किसी ने रिवर्स में डाल के मीम बनाया, क्योंकि
Oh, man.
इंटरनेट पे कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है आजकल भाई।
Okay, Baba, take us out. you have-
All right. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for watching this episode. I hope you guys had a great time. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button.
Press the ring.
ring the
button.
bell, ring the bell
Yeah.
when you come to my house because you know
Yeah.
I am short of hearing, so
Bell bottom.
What is
Uh,
going on?
भाई
and-
तू ये टॉमा कर रहा है, बट ये
अबे
तेरे को नहीं पता।
हम
ring
लोग
the
तेरे
bell
टॉमा
icon.
नहीं है क्या भाई?
And
हम
हाँ।
तेरे टॉमा होना चाहिए, पॉडकास्ट तो तेरा टॉमा होना चाहिए।
6 महीने से तो नहीं है ना गाइस,
हाँ।
आ जाएगा अभी, मैं बोल रहा हूँ। And
अबे वर्ड्स तो तेरे टॉमा होना चाहिए, अब लव्स कि वो तो टॉप ऑफ माउथ तो होना चाहिए तेरा टॉमा, टॉप ऑफ माउथ अवेयरनेस, टॉप ऑफ माउथ
है।
आवाज कि
तो-
मेरे पास वर्ड्स है, मैं बोल देता हूँ और बोल कि guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Please make sure you ring the bell icon, like, share, subscribe, comment, buy tickets to all our shows.
The bell
And
icon.
stop asking where's Baba, because I'm right here and I will come sometimes, I will not come sometimes. Don't chew the boys' brains. They're putting in so much effort. Say we love you guys. Bol.
What Varun said, guys.
अबे कंट्रोल भी
कंट्रोल सी नहीं, लेकिन मजा है ब्रो, बहुत टाइम के बाद बाबा देखा. गुड टू सी यू. और आगे भी मिलते रहेंगे. तो दैट्स इट गाइस, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम दिस एपिसोड.
ये क्या चालू किया है तूने बाबा?
मेरा टीवी दे दो यार. मेरे को
Samsung
और
is
कुछ
perpetually
नहीं,
put
मेरे-
you in this position.
टीवी दे दो यार मेरा बस.
This is your Samsung Fold.
Amex
This is your
Platinum वाला
Samsung
भी ये
Fold.
कर रहा है.
No,
Amex Platinum
it
भी
would
ये कर रहा है.
be too funny if like that lady who couldn't get the driving license after 900.
900 टीवी लेके
If
बैठा.
Samsung doesn't give him the TV after
अबे सैमसंग भी कोरियन है
कोरियन है,
भाई.
कोरियन
कोरियन
है.
चल रहा है कुछ. ये कोरियन स्प्रिसी है. चलो मजेदार. ओके गाइस, मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. तब तक टेक केयर, बाय बाय, सलाम इश, शब्बा खैर, गुड नाइट, टेक केयर, बाय.
Tata.
चलो टाटा.
Speaking of Tata, the only car I've seen stronger than the Thar is Tata. ये सुजुकी धजिया उड़ गई है. टाटा को कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
It's hit it from
From
The
where?
front,
Bro, if this is this
एक
the-
दूसरा सुजुकी कुछ नहीं हुआ गाड़ी
wow,
को.
man.
Bro, I have a feeling that these two accidents happened separately और वो टाटा वाला से बीच में आके गाड़ी रोक दी.
बीच में आके खड़ा
उसको
है.
parking
उसको
मिल
पार्किंग
गया.
मिल गया है. उसको पार्किंग
उसको
मिल गया है.
parking मिल गया. Because fuck, if this is actually, if it got sandwiched between two cars and nothing happened, that's insane.
That's insane.
quite possible.